Hello everyone. Today I have an unboxing of a refurbished Odin Mini Desert Tan. And in my package it also came with a little swag. An orange Arc Pro luggage tag. Be nice for if I ever take trips. But this is the Odin Mini Desert Tan. It's a refurbished model, so it doesn't come in their standard packaging. It's a little bit cheaper, but from my understanding, it carries the same warranty they normally carry, it's a lifetime. So inside the packaging, we have a user's manual, the light itself, and if this is refurbished, it definitely looks to be repainted or something, not a scratch on it. They got the nice little yellow tab for their battery. Take that out, make sure it functions. It does function. The battery is low. When I turned it on, it did vibrate, which notified me that it was getting low. It has the MCC charger to go with it. One of the blue ones. It's the older version. It has the Allen wrench and some screws to mount it for M-lock. Has some zip ties here. This is one of the mounts. Looks to be an M-lock mount that comes with it. Let's set that on over here. And underneath of this, also the pressure switch. It'll lock in place, pull it, come off, magnetically charged, push it, locks itself in place. Push and hold, comes on, just tap it, comes on, stays on. So there you go, folks. There's the Odin Mini in the Desert Tan. Comes with extra screws and the mounting bracket. And this is the refurbished model. To me, this looks brand new. Not a scratch on it. So for the difference in price, I would say I got a good deal. Take care, everyone.